Looking for a bit more privacy? With power over Ethernet IP cameras and a Reyee PoE CCTV switch, controlling your camera's power and your privacy is easy. Here we have a Reyee power over Ethernet switch with a single camera connected. Now let's walk through how to power this camera off directly from the Reyee power over Ethernet switch. You can do this easily through the Reyee Cloud. Once inside your project, select the power over Ethernet switch. Go to Configuration, choose the port where the camera is connected, and set Power over Ethernet capable to disabled. Click Save, and that's it, and you're all set. Take a look. In a few seconds, you will see that the image from the camera will freeze. Now, let's turn the camera back on. Just some simple clicks, and the camera is back on. Let's have a look. Give the camera a moment to boot up, and it will come back online. I'll speed up the footage so you can quickly see the camera coming back online. Great, as you can see, the camera is back online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.